Welcome back to Recreational Garage. In this video, we're still working on mounting electronics under the dash. I've got a template here for a bracket that we're going to make for the MSD box. We're going to use this aluminum scrap I've got here. We're going to cut a section of that off on the bandsaw and then drill some holes in it and probably add one more bolt under the dash. We're going to use the bolts to mount the factory speaker because we're not running the factory center dash speaker in this car, so we'll use that, and that's where we're going to mount the MSD box. So we'll start with that, and then if we get that done, we'll see what else we can move on to next. Anyway, let's get to it. Alright, super short video this week. I just didn't get out to the garage as much as I would have liked. Had quite a bit going on. But I did, off camera, cut these couple of pieces of aluminum here. We're going to use those for mounting the ECU and a couple other electronics too under the dash. And then up under here, I don't know if we can see it, we got the MSD box all mounted up where the factory speaker goes. So you can kind of see it doesn't really show right here, but we can see it up through there. So it's looking good. Still pushing forward, making some more progress, but hopefully next week we'll get the computer mounted, a couple other electronics, and then we can figure out the fuse box or the fuse panels and relay panels where we're going to mount those, and then it's ready to start with wiring. I still have to order a bunch of wires and Deutsch connectors and things, but it is coming along. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.